Yo. Hi, my name is David Isamuj. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. If you are just checking me out for the first time, I want to say thank you for clicking through, and thank you for the fact you want to learn, and thank you for the fact I am sure and definitely in that state that you're going to watch this video to the end. For my current viewers, my viewers who keep coming back to watch me, I want to appreciate you guys. Yes, there's something I do on my channel. If you've not watched my previous video, you know I always give shout outs to new subscribers. So I always do that. As long as YouTube updates that, I will always give out shout outs to my new subscribers. So in my last video it was redirection CY, so it has not been updated, but once it's updated, as you can see, it has not been updated. So once it's updated, you definitely get a shout out from me. So please, if you want to get a shout out, make sure you subscribe, like, and share these videos. And let me tell you right from beginning, I have well over 63 videos on my channel. If you want to make money from print on demand, that is making money from Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Matchband, Amazon, making passive income. If passive income is your thing and you want to sleep while you make money after doing the hard work, definitely then my channel is a place you want to always come back to, because of making daily t-shirt design. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right to today's video. So today's video, we're going to be using Canva. I use Canva and Photoshop for my design, but I mostly use Canva because I get you guys want something simpler. So I'm here to save that to you. I'm here to help you, help me, help us make money passively. So if you are in for that, then watch these videos and watch my other videos. So we create a new design, custom dimension. The standard for all is 500. Sorry about that. 500 by 5400. Someone was complaining about my accents that I could not pronounce things well. I just say things the wrong way. Well, I'm not here to pronounce things. I'm not an English teacher. I'm just here to teach you how to design and make money from doing it. So if you support my channel for that, I want to really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. So let's click on create design. So wait for this to load, then we'll go through the next step. So the next step will be for us to go to upload image or video, pictures. My design is TB. Yes, this is it. So just wait for it to load here. As you can see, I made this design myself. This is it. Yes, I'm a graphics designer, but that does not mean you cannot do it because you're not a graphic designer. These are simple designs I do, super simple designs. I did not just want to put this into my video because to make the video longer, I just want to do a design for you that is about 10 to 15 minutes long, nothing more, because I know your time is very precious and I don't want to take much of your time. So this is a design I did myself. So everything you see here, I did myself. So it's no big deal. It's not a super mighty something. It's just something I did myself. So it's something you can do. So if you want me to make a video in the future on how I do these designs myself, let me know. But if you watch my other videos, you can see where to get elements for your design, so you might not need to design this yourself. But if you want to pay me to make your designs, then it's fine. Just hit me up on Instagram at David Oisamoje. Just hit me up on Instagram at David Oisamoje, or just comment below and I'll do that. So now it has uploaded, so I'll just click on it once for it to appear on our layer or Canva. Yes, as you can see. So now you can see it's quite small and I don't want it to be this small, so I'll just over my mouse to this edge. I'll press on my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outwards. Yeah, I'll drag my mouse outwards, and you can see it's quite big now, so I'll just try and position it in the middle. As you can see, that red line or pink line indicates it's in the middle, perfectly in the middle. So we are good with that. Now we'll just click on download. Please don't click off yet, because the first stage might not be for you, the second stage might be for you. there's always a barrier using the free Canva. The free Canva is that you can't download without the white background, so your design is always going to come with a background. There are two ways to do that. Either if you want to upload on a black shirt, you change your background to black. If you want to upload on a white shirt, you change your background to white. But the other thing which is more effective is to remove the background in Photoshop. So if you have Photoshop, you are good to go. In the next stage, just stick around so I watch the next stage. But if you don't have Photoshop and you want to remove your background so that you can use it on other colors without the also, then you need Canva Pro. So if you need Canva Pro, just let me know in the comments, and I will definitely send you a link for a 1 month free Canva Pro on me. So without wasting much of your time, we'll just click on download. It's going to prepare the download, and you're gonna see it downloading. So you can see we've just used only 5 minutes in this video, and our video is going well. Your design is not supposed to take too much time. It's not supposed to take too much time. 10 to 15 minutes max, you should get a design ready for upload, and you're good to go. So always check your design that it's downloaded properly without errors. So I always do that on my designs. You can see this is my yesterday's video, this is the video before that, and you can see all my designs are just here. I always make sure I double check to make sure they are there and downloaded properly. As you can see, this is downloaded properly. So now we move on to the next step, which is to remove the background. So I'll open in Photoshop. And now that you can see it's opened in Photoshop, I'll just do one thing, and which is create a new layer. So I'll click on this folded paper, it says create a new layer, click on that, then click on layer 0, and now we just come over to this magic stick. You can see here it's called the magic word tool. Just click on it and click on this white background. You should eliminate every white background, but it won't do that to all basically, so you have to do some yourself. So but it should do to almost all. So I'll just click on delete, and as you can see, we still have some little ones in the E. So I'll just go to the E and do that again, delete, just delete that, and I'll come to the lower one and I'll just delete that. So now you see we have it all gone, and we're just left with our design. So if I go over and Ctrl T to zoom, sorry about that. So if I do my Ctrl T and I increase this, you should see that we have no more white in our designs. So as you can see, we have no more white in our designs. Okay, I think there's still little between the K. So we'll just go back to our magic word tool and just go to the K and delete. We'll go to the lower K and delete. Now that all that is done and set, our design is ready. So we'll just go and save it. So save it as picture BT. I'll save it as PNG because I don't want the background, so I'm going to save it as PNG. So I'll click on save. I already had it before, so I'll save it again for you guys' sake. Press OK. Now if you're good to go from this stage, you might just now send, once your design is downloaded, you just cross check to make sure it's there. I always say this in all my videos. Please always do that so that you don't get frustrated. There are sometimes you think you saved a design and the design is not there. So always make sure you cross check after every save work. Always cross check to make sure your design is there. As you can see, so far we are just about 9 minutes into this video. It has not taken us so much time to do. So just wait for it to save, and once it's saved, we are good to go. We can now upload. We take our design, upload it to TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, and yes, Match by Amazon, TeePublic, Teespring, Redbubble. Those sites are super easy to upload on. If the you guys have always requested I do a video on how to register on this site, so I'll definitely do that. So our design has been saved, and now if we go to pictures and check BT, so here you have it. Our design is here, as you can see. So if we open it, we have the design here, as you can see. So it's not super complicated, it's super easy to get the design out. Then the final step for me will be to put it on a mockup. If you followed my channel, you know I always put my design on a mockup. This is because you might want to promote it on social media such as Instagram, Pinterest. You might need a mockup because mockups sell more. If you just put your design and say it's a t-shirt design, no one will buy, but when you put it on a mockup, it becomes more attractive. So the mockup I use is my Anger t-shirt mockup, as you can see, this one. So I'll just go over to your design here, double tap, delete this other design, and bring in our new design. Just bring in our new design, which is BT, Big Thinker. So I'll just bring it in, just bring it into this space, and once it's shown, as you can see, it's quite big, so I'll reduce it. So I'll over my mouse to this edge, I'll press down 3 buttons, my Alt button, my Shift key button, my left mouse button, and I'll drag my mouse inward to reduce. It's as simple as that, just dragging my mouse inwards to reduce. And now I press enter and file and save that. So once I go back to my shirt, it should appear on my shirt. As you can see, it says Big Thinker, Big Thinker. As you can see, we still have problem with the B, so I'm going to pause this and go back to that and work on that. So we're back now. I'll just save this, save, and then we'll go back to the design. We have it there, Big Thinker. So we'll just move this to just where we want it to be. Now we can change the color of the shirt. If we click on it, this is white. You can change the color of the shirt to whatever you want it to be. So you just double tap here and just move this around. Just change it to whatever color you want it to be. Just change to whatever color. So with this one, I'll just leave it at this color and I'll save it, press OK, and I'll just save it, file, save as, pictures, BT, save it as PNG. Now you can send this over to an influencer on Instagram, a motivational page on Instagram or something, creative page, an entrepreneurship page or something. Will promote it for you with a fee, and you should get sales. Your first 5 sales are the most important ones. You get your 4-5 sales. This sites such as Redbubble, TeePublic will automatically start the promotion for you, so you start making passive income, make money doing this without problem. So we click on save. Okay, so it's gonna save. Once it's done saving, we'll go back to make sure it's all saved out. So this is it, this is it. Good, we all good design ready for you. So to your right, you see my playlist. If you want to watch more, just click on those playlists and watch it. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next shout out. See you on tomorrow's video. Love you.